Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. One of my cake that I remember from France is something called Cannelé de Bordeaux. It's a specialty from Bordeaux and it's actually a very old recipe and you need this type of mold, or the classic mold for cannelé is actually a mold made out of copper. And we usually put some beeswax in it, and then we do the recipe and we bake them. It's a very liquid recipe, so it stays very long time in the oven. So the cannelé is actually crunchy on the outside and so soft inside. And then you get the flavor of the rum and the vanilla. So the way to do it is put a little butter in every of those cavities. Then the next thing is to put 250 grams of milk with one vanilla bean that you scrape. You put the beans in there, and 25 grams of butter. You bring that to a boil and you let it cool down. When it's cooled down, can cool down overnight, so the vanilla really give a lot of flavor to the milk. When it's cooled down, you take 50 grams of cake flour, put that on a container like that. Then you can add, or we're going to put maybe half of the egg, or one egg. I just want to be sure that I don't get any lumps. So by putting a little bit of the liquid, that can be the milk or the egg, you don't going to get any lumps. Okay, so now you mix that very well. Okay, then you add the rest of the egg, the yolk. So it's one egg and one yolk. And of course, I'm going to post that recipe. So you mix everything together very well. Okay, then when you have no lumps and you see that the flour is very well mixed, you can add the rum. And what you do with that, you're supposed to make the batter and put the batter in the refrigerator overnight. What's going to happen here is all the ingredients going to mature together and the flour going to relax. Even if it's cake flour, it contains a little bit of gluten, so you want that flour to relax. I have here 125 grams of sugar. And the last thing that we're going to add is actually our milk with the vanilla and a little pinch of salt. So let me do the salt. Okay, that's enough, just a pinch of salt, just to give a little flavor. And then now, milk, butter, and vanilla. Okay. And we mix all that very well. You can use an immersion blender if you want, but the way, if you mix it the way that I did, you don't going to get any lumps, guarantee. Okay, so what we're supposed to do now is put that in a refrigerator with a little plastic on top and let it rest overnight. Okay, so imagine that stay in the refrigerator for one night. Now I'm going to put the butter into my mold. The mold are already had a little bit of butter. I'm going to grab a little tray. Okay, that would be easier to move. And then I'm going to put my liquid into the mold. So you don't fill them completely. You leave maybe half inch from the top. They will expand a little bit. Not that much, but they will expand a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to put them in the oven, preheated, at about 220, 250 degrees, depending on your oven. If your oven is hot, 220 is good if it cook hot, or if it's, regular 220, 250, around that. So And that's going to go for 10 minutes. Then you lower the temperature to between 160 and 180, but that go for about 40 minutes. What you do 5 to 10 minutes before they are completely baked, take them out, put them on a tray, put them back in the oven to get some color, and then when they are nice and crunchy around, take them out. So I bake them for 10 minutes at 240 degrees. Then I lower the temperature to 160, around 160, and I leave them for another almost 40 minutes. So it takes a long time to cook those cannelés. So now I'm going to take them out and show you what I do. Okay, so when they reach that temperature, what you do, you flip that. Okay. So with the butter, they come out very nicely. And then you put them back in the oven for at least 5 minutes, about 180, just to make them crunchy. So it's been 5 minutes. Let me take them out. Okay, voilà. Les cannelés de Bordeaux. And I'm going to take a knife and cut one in half. It's a little bit hot, but I just want to show you how they look like. So the Cannelé de Bordeaux is crunchy on the outside and it's very moist inside. I love those cakes. It's a little bit too hot to eat. C'est délicieux. Bon appétit.